If you are a business analyst or aspiring to become one, there is one document you will encounter in almost every project: the Business Requirement Document. But what exactly is a BRD? What does it contain? And how do you write one? In this video, I will explain everything you need to know about the BRD, simply and clearly. A Business Requirement Document, or BRD, is a formal document that captures what a business needs from a project or system. It describes the business problem, the goals, and the requirements that the solution must meet. Think of it as a contract between the business and the development team. The business says, "This is what we need." The development team says, "We understand, and we will build it." The BRD is that agreement in writing. Without a BRD, projects go off track. Teams build the wrong thing. Stakeholders are unhappy. Budgets are wasted. A well-written BRD ensures everyone is aligned: the business, the project manager, the developers, and the testers, all working towards the same goal. It also serves as a reference document throughout the project. Whenever there is a disagreement about scope or requirements, the team goes back to the BRD. A standard BRD has several key sections. First, executive summary. A brief overview of the project, the business problem, and the proposed solution. Second, business objectives. What does the business want to achieve? These are the goals the project must deliver. Third, scope. What is included in the project, and just as importantly, what is not included? Fourth, stakeholders. Who are the key people involved and what are their roles? Fifth, business requirements. The detailed list of what the system or solution must do to meet the business needs. So how do you actually write a BRD? Step 1. Gather requirements. Meet with stakeholders, ask questions, run workshops, and understand the business problem deeply. Step 2. Define objectives and scope. Clearly state what the project will achieve and what it will not cover. Step 3. Document requirements. Write each requirement clearly, use simple language, avoid technical jargon, and make sure every requirement is measurable and testable. Step 4. Get sign-off. Share the BRD with all key stakeholders, gather their feedback, make revisions, and get their formal approval before development begins. Many beginners confuse the BRD with the FRD, the Functional Requirement Document. Here is the key difference. The BRD answers the question, what does the business need? The FRD answers, how will the system deliver it? The BRD comes first. It is written by the business analyst based on stakeholder inputs. The FRD comes next. It translates the business requirements into functional specifications for the development team. Here are some tips to write an effective BRD. Keep the language simple and clear. The BRD is read by both business and technical stakeholders, so avoid jargon. Make requirements specific and measurable. Vague requirements lead to misunderstandings. Always include a version history. Track every change made to the document. And get stakeholder sign-off before development begins. This protects you and the project from scope creep. Let me give you a quick real-world example. Imagine a bank wants to build a new mobile app for customers to check their account balance and transfer money. The BA meets with the bank's stakeholders, understands their needs, and writes a BRD that covers the business objectives, the scope of the app, the key stakeholders, and the detailed requirements such as secure login, balance display, and fund transfer functionality. This BRD then guides the entire development team from start to finish. To summarize, a BRD is one of the most important documents a business analyst creates. It captures the business needs, defines the scope, and aligns all stakeholders before development begins. Mastering the BRD is a must-have skill for every BA. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to Business Analysis Simplified for more content on Agile, Scrum, user stories, BA concepts, and interview preparation. See you in the next one.